Are handwriting experts used in courts? Well, of course they are. In fact, all kinds of experts are used in courts. It's called an expert witness. And an expert witness is different than a lay witness, which means, oh, I saw an accident. I don't want to go to court. Okay, here, judge, I saw this accident. This guy walked in front of a bus. That's a lay witness. An expert witness is supposed to be an unbiased third party, not associated with, doesn't even know anybody, saying, look, I looked at the evidence and here's what I say. I looked at the tire marks. I looked at the bottom of a shoe. I took fingerprints. I'm an expert witness. And so handwriting analysis, particularly forensic handwriting analysis, such as forensic document examining, has been used back since 1910 to solve crimes. And ransom notes and all that from the FBI. You've probably seen Catch Me If You Can, that great movie starring Leonardo DiCaprio. Well, I met the guy that's based on that book, or Leonardo played that guy. He was a con artist and he forged documents and checks for years in the 60s and 70s, and then he got caught. And now I think he still works. He may be retired, but he works for the FBI. So people like that guy, not the criminal side, but when he worked for the FBI, there's a whole science behind handwriting and forgeries and checks and how you can tell if a handwriting was written by the person that says it's written, or if it was crafted eloquently and forged and traced and simulated, all these fancy words, which are part of the lexicon of a forensic document examiner. So absolutely, for over 50 years, forensic handwriting experts has been used to help identify criminals, identify frauds, help people go to jail for bounced checks or forged checks, or even long, complicated fraud schemes where they're buying and trading houses and they're basically, stealing people's estates. It happens all the time. In America, luckily, you have two attorneys, a defense prosecution, or in a civil case, you've got a prosecution, and then you've got the defendant, the plaintiff and the defendant, and they can hire expert witnesses. They can hire their attorney. They have a chance to bring the truth to the table. And in America, you can actually have two expert witnesses. You can have one, and the other side can have one with a different opinion. And that's not always true in Europe. In Europe, they usually hire one expert. They agree. They share the fee. And whatever expert that opinion is goes. And I find a problem with that because some expert witnesses aren't as good as other ones. Since I've been teaching this and certifying people for many, many years, I've seen the quality of students. I mean, hey, I passed algebra, I passed statistics, but I couldn't do it today. That was many, many years ago. So just because someone passed it or had a certificate doesn't mean they're highly qualified. So, forensic document examiner, if you need some help with your case, if you need some help with solving that problem, reach out to a forensic document examiner. Make sure that they are court qualified. If you need some help or referral or discussion, this website, obviously you found it. It's a great resource. Go to handwritingexpertusa.com or handwritingexperts.com. We have offices all over the country and other experts at all levels of affordability to help you solve your forensic document examining case. Like and subscribe for more. My name is Bart Baggett, and thanks for watching the video.